Let's make a buffalo barbecue chicken wrap. I'm down over 200 pounds, and this buffalo barbecue chicken wrap is low carb, high protein, and super delicious. Let's make it. These are the low carb tortillas I use. They're the La Bandera ones. These are like the burrito size. They're humongo, okay? You can use the smaller ones. I just wanted the big one. I do have the air fryer going, so if that's loud and you hear it, I'm sorry, but we got to cook that chicken, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my veggies. You can add or omit any type of veggies you want. I love baby spinach. I often use this in place of lettuce in like my wraps or salads, but we're going to add some questionable lettuce right now because I like it. And if you don't have questionable lettuce, I don't know how we can be friends. I just know I'm going to have lots of friends that use questionable lettuce too. I need some red onion. Do y'all call this red onion or purple onion? I went to Subway one day, you guys, and I said, I'll take red onion. She goes, we don't have red onion. We have purple onion. And I was like, you know what? I'll take some purple onion. Like, I thought this was a red onion. I stand corrected, apparently. I still hear a lot of y'all calling it purple onion. I mean, it is purple. So why? It's purple. Like, why are we calling it red? I mean, I never understood that. I'm going to add some grape tomatoes on this. All right. And I like some cheese. So I'm just going to use half a serving of mozzarella cheese. Now, you know, I need the ranch. I'll be honest. The ranch I've been using lately is the Bolthouse Farm ones, or I love the Simply Marzetti one. Amazing. I do about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ranch. I do weigh this out. Don't you worry. I'll put it on my scale after I pour. That was 2 tablespoons, so I got 1 more left. I'm almost perfect at this, I'm telling you. When you do it too many times. My chicken's done. This is the chicken I use. It's the Real Good chicken strips. These are low carb. You can use the nuggets or the strips. And then after I air fry mine, I like to cut mine up in bite-sized pieces. Now we need the sauce. This is the sauce I use. It's by Noble Made. It's less sugar, buffalo, and barbecue sauce. Addicting. It's not too sweet, but it's got that acidity from the buffalo. I love it. I do about 2 tablespoons of the sauce, and then I give my strips a mixy mix. I just toss them in the sauce. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, and you don't have to add a sauce if you don't want to, but I'm telling you, this is so good. And if you don't have that sauce and you want to try something, maybe just try mixing like some barbecue and buffalo sauce. That should be good. Let's fully assemble this thing now. You can use your spoon, you can use your fingers, whatever you want. Honestly, this is the hardest part of all, folding this baddie, okay? Chipotle ain't got nothing on me. Watch and learn. Okay, I'm having a little trouble. Pretend that didn't happen. Okay, we did it. And then I like to just cut mine in half because I don't always eat the entire thing, and I can save the other half for later. All right, guys, which half looks better? I don't know. This one's calling my name. It just looks extra juicy. So let's taste test it. I'm obsessed with this, and I eat it way too much. Y'all know the drill. You best go make it.